TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 9. You get the Nasdaq off 24. S&Ps are down 11. Gold contracts down $30, trading at $1,236 an ounce. We have silver down 72 cents, $18 flat. Platinum's off $23, $9.51. You get copper off 2 pennies, $2.53 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.12, $43.54. The notes are $1.27.18. The bonds $155.27. The pits are closed inside the notes and the bonds. Banks are closed. Happy Veterans Day out there, folks. King dollar up 61.6, trading at 98.83. The euro is at $1.08, and the yen is trading at 106.52. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you have happening, folks. The SPY failed on price, failed on volume as it came into the September 9th downdraft. That was 217.03. We got over it. We closed underneath it. We had lighter volume. You get a failure. What does that set up? Guess what? That sets up right back downtown to 208.38, which was the swing low that was established out here on the 4th of November. That's the smaller issue. Larger issue is still game down at the Brexit, June 24th to June 28th area. That's where this baby wants to get into. Dow Industrials. Now, a different animal than the Dow. Dow broke out to all-time highs. Bottom line, the longer you stay over the 18,668 and go higher. Until we come back inside of that, Dow can go higher. NASDAQ Composite also failed on price, failed on volume. Bottom line, the highs in the composite are 53.42. You're at 51.92. Composite wants to go after this 5,034. That is the November 4th swing low. I expect what you're going to see, though, we're going to go after the June 27th high or low, which is 46.65 to 45.74. And right now, you're at 51.92. So it's a big number. Russell 2000. Let's take a look at the Russell, because the Russell was coming into the highs out yesterday with some volume. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the high of yesterday in the Russell was 1258, 48. Oh, this is too much. We've hit 1258.41. So this is the test of yesterday. That's what this is. So what you're going to see here is that we'll test this today. It's going to be lighter volume today because of the fact that you have a holiday going on, and we'll see whether that backs off the high also. Bonds. The bond market, folks, continues the lower. You get the market is actually closed out here today. Electronic market is going, but the pit is closed. So you're at 127.16. Bottom line is that these rates are going up. The short-term rate right now is running at 2.15. So bottom line, that short-term rate went up pretty quickly. In fact, there's been $1 trillion lost in the bond market in 2 days, with a T. That is with the T. King dollar. Let's go take a look at King dollar. So King dollar, folks, could not get into its high. It's going to be pretty wild watching this thing shake out. The reason being, excuse me, folks, is that the high of October 25th is $99.09. We got to 99.08 yesterday, and it couldn't handle it. It backed off. We'll see whether it can test it. What's unusual here is that the way the market ran, the way that the dollar ran, we should have been able to get up and over that level pretty easy. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051, or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Have a happy Veterans Day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.